Let's discuss the top 3 problems that aging families face and how an accessory dwelling unit can solve these glaring issues for you. Cut. Oh, I got a cramp in my foot. Doing okay, babe?
Yeah. Okay.
There you are. Hey. Better?
No.
Nope. Nope. Psych. Compared to nursing home it's terrible. Words are hard. Imagine the financial relief and peace of mind that comes with choosing an ADU. Savings of over $900,000 over the next 10,000 years. Like that? That was good, wasn't it? I'm really distracted. My this is out, so this ear is not working, and that is really fucking up my jam. Oh, okay. There, I can hear them both now.
Okay.
It's like if I can't hear it in both ears, then both sides of my brain can't do the English. Wow, that was struggle. Oh, sorry, babe. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, what have you done? How? I don't
know how.
Wow. I mean, it was feet away from you, yet you managed to pull it down on top of you somehow. I don't understand.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's fun. Let's see if we can guess where the camera was last.
Okay. Sorry about that.
That's okay. I looked over there, it was fucking Armageddon. I didn't know what was going on. It's falling down. I wish I had a camera back here for that one.
You're laughing at me.
Sorry. I got to shake that off because now I got the giggles about it. Okay. All right. Swing batter. Strike one. I got it. I got to choke up on that second piece of paper a little bit there. Okay.
Oops.
All right. Ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I can tell you are. You're hiding behind the camera. Okay. You gotta wiggle it. Just shake it.
There it is.
Just shake it a little, baby.
Nope. Nope. Dead. Okay, now it's better.
There we go. I think
This is
me,
really rough. Okay.
What's rough?
This whole situation.
So. Discover the transformative. All right. For real.
Sustainable solution that adapts to the changing needs of seniors, ensuring that your loved one can get age close. I got to start over. I need the left side to go up just a teeny tiny bit.
Which is left? Your left or my left?
That. The top one.
Up.
There. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Yuck. Ugh, what's your face doing?
You got a weird text.
Huh?
You got a weird text.
What does it say?
It said Holly, Haley?
What?
I don't know.
Oh.
Look at it when we're done.
All right. Okay.